Hi everybody, I am Ehsan Mashadi and welcome to Android Styles and Themes course by Pack Publishing. I'm an experienced mobile developer with 5 years of experience in Java and Swift. I love my work and have always been passionate to learn new things. I love challenge and always try to code better, faster, and without bugs. Currently, I am working as a team lead developer and freelance technical author. This course will teach you how to use Android styles and themes. Having the base UI is one of the most important aspects for any application because this is the first thing that users come across. If you think providing consistent styles, choosing appropriate themes, designing layout for multiple screen size are challenged, then this course is a perfect choice for you. In section 1, we are going to learn about responsive design, material design, and styling widgets like Fab, App Bar, Checkbox, and other UI components. In section 2, I am going to teach you what are styles and themes and how can we customize them. In section 3, we are going to learn about material themes using theme editor of Android Studio and also using inheritance in styles to reach clean code. In section 4, we will work on drawables, colors, icons, and making a brand. In the last section, we will create material styles which are backward compatible so your applications look material even when the target device does not support material API level. We will explore day and night theme too. For learning this course, you need to have basic Kotlin development knowledge. Now that we know what lies ahead, let's jump right into the course and get started.